Do you know there are other method of cooking ogbono soup? In this video, my husband will be teaching us, not just me, he will be teaching us how to make his ogbono soup recipe. You are highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silva. There was one time I was making ogbono soup. My husband asked me this question: do you know there are other methods of cooking ogbono soup? I was like, which other method? Apart from you have to put the ogbono in a bowl, add oil, then allow it to melt, or you place the oil in a pan, then you put the ogbono inside, then allow it to melt. He said there are other ways of making ogbono soup, and I said I don't know any other way apart from these two, and he said he's going to teach me. In that bowl we have shaki and beef. He's washing it 2 times. This is the main ingredient for cooking ogbono: salt and pepper. This cowleg has been boiling already, so you're just going to add the beef and the shaki to it. Then it's going to give it a good stir. Then it's going to be adding salt, some beef seasoning. Then it will just cover everything for them to cook. After some minutes, he opened the pot and he added in mushroom and some grounded pepper.
For the mushroom.
And I'm sure you could just tell because now this thing.
Yeah. Since you don't know what they call mushroom, you dey see and you dey tell ask me what it be.
So to block like meat.
What? Not be meat I put for instance. Before the not they use until do meat. Oh yeah. Don't do like that. Because now bolo. Cover. So you cover, you let it to boil for like 1 minute. Voila. That's done too.
After bringing the oil to a boil, then he added in the grounded ogbono. I was like, is this not going to have lumps? The reason why I normally melt my ogbono in a bowl is to avoid lumps. He said it's not going to have any lumps, and seriously, the soup came out very well. So I have learned another method and I'm so thankful for this. If me and my husband will go out and they will ask who cook better, I don't drag anything cooking with him. He cook way better than me.
Besides, it's ogbono, to turn ogbono, you turn the edges, so you not go kill, you not go burn.
After preparing the soup, he started making pounded yam. You can see the way it's turning it. Me, I don't even have strength to turn or to make pounded yam like that. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful that my husband can cook, and I really appreciate him for teaching me his recipe. Let me know in the comment section how you normally prepare your ogbono soup. If you have watched this video up to this point, I so much appreciate you. Thank you so much. And if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new video. And for my returning subscribers, I thank you so much. Thanks for your support. Thanks for sharing my video. Thank you so much, guys. I can't thank you all enough. I'm so grateful. Thank you for watching and always coming back. This is the final look of the ogbono. You can see it's very smooth and it was very tasty. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in my next video. Much love.